Okay, this could be a shoe that actually fits my size. This is something I'm still missing in my collection. So maybe I have to get here tomorrow and try this. First time in my life on an e-bike, on my way to this shoe place from yesterday in order to get this pair of high heels. Beautiful place I grew up at. It's a record store I used to buy vinyl. Wolfsburg City. Let's have a look inside. Okay, it's a bit tight, but I can manage to get in, and it's a rubber surface at the moment. So here we go with metal instead of rubber. First time with these things on my feet, standing up.